Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we are diving into an absolute game changer for anyone who loves taking photos but hates running out of cloud storage. If you have a rooted Android device, you are going to want to pay close attention to this one. We are looking at a brilliant utility called PixelMask, which is a specialized Magisk module designed to completely change how one specific app sees your device. Essentially, PixelMask works by tricking Google Photos into believing your phone is actually a genuine Google Pixel. By doing this, it seamlessly unlocks exclusive Pixel-only perks, most notably the highly coveted free unlimited original quality backup. And it does this on any rooted Android phone running a modern version of the operating system. Before we jump into the setup, let me show you the actual application package file we will be working with. I have the PixelMask APK file ready right here in my file manager. It's a lightweight, clean application that handles all the heavy lifting behind the scenes. What makes PixelMask so elegant is how precisely it operates. It intercepts the device information checks, but it does this exclusively inside the Google Photos process. This means absolutely nothing else on your phone is altered or affected. Your banking apps, your system settings, and your overall device identity remain completely untouched. It only replies with the specific answers that a Pixel of your choosing would give whenever Google Photos asks. Once Photos receives that spoofed information, it immediately turns on the unlimited backup perks tied to that specific generation of Pixel. Now, let's get this installed and configured. I'm going to tap on the PixelMask APK file to initiate the installation process. Once the app is installed, we need to open our Xposed manager. In this case, I'm using Lsposed on top of Magisk. If you're using kernel SU or APatch, you would use Zygisk vector along with Lsposed. Inside Lsposed, we need to find PixelMask in the modules list and toggle it on, making sure it is specifically targeting the Google Photos app. It's important to note that PixelMask serves as a modern, highly optimized, and updated version of the older Pixelify module. If you still have the older Pixelify module active on your system, you should go ahead and disable or uninstall it now to prevent any conflicts, allowing PixelMask to handle the device spoofing cleanly. With the module enabled in Lsposed, let's open PixelMask and explore its features to enable that sweet, unlimited storage. The interface is clean and straightforward. First, switch over to the Settings tab at the bottom. Tap on the option labeled Target Device. This brings up a list of various Google Pixel models, and you can pick the exact Pixel you want Google Photos to think you are using. Different Pixel models offer different backup perks, like unlimited original quality or unlimited storage saver quality, so choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting your target Pixel, tap on the button that says Stop Google Photos in Settings. This will automatically open Android's official app info page for the Photos app. From there, simply tap Force Stop. This step is crucial because PixelMask cannot force stop another application from within its own sandbox. Only the Android system has the authority to do that. Now that the Photos app has been completely terminated, tap on Open Google Photos right here from the interface and let it start entirely fresh. And honestly, that's all there is to it. The next time Google Photos initializes, it reads the spoofed framework data provided by PixelMask, recognizes your device as the chosen Pixel, and activates your free, unlimited, original quality photo backups. It's an incredibly smooth and localized solution that gives your rooted device a massive upgrade without messing with your global system integrity. Thanks for watching. Make sure to try it out if you have a rooted device, and I'll see you in the next video.